That set me back 1700 baht, which is a fair whack. They've definitely put the price up on cleaning, teeth cleaning over the years. At one stage I think it was very rare that would go above 1,000. I think the top range was something like maybe 500 or 800 to 1,200. Now the top of the range, it actually starts at 1,200 and goes to 1,800. And I got charged 1,700, so I was right at the top of the range. It was a fair bit of work, and she did it it took 3/4 of an hour. And I know they do a good job, so you know, I guess I don't. It's still cheaper than what I pay in Australia, and I know that she's doing a very good job. So, and the good news was she didn't mention any other work to be done, so no fillings or anything. So. Because I asked it to be a checkup, I hope she remembered that. I think she did. She sort of asked me at the beginning, so, but didn't mention any other work, so that was it. So I guess I should be pretty happy for that. I'm just actually going back via Weigel, which goes past CAD Central, which is Central Shopping Centre here. An old shopping centre. If I wasn't feeling so queasy in the guts, I'd have myself a Dairy Queen to celebrate, because I like my Dairy Queens, and I don't sell them in Australia anymore. But I might be pushing it today, so I'll wait till my stomach's feeling a little better before I embark on having a Dairy Queen. But a damn shame, but I will have a beer down at John's. So we'll celebrate that way. So that was it, that's out of the way. That's the nasty part of the trip done. Now I can just relax and work out what I want to do for the rest of the time. Go down to Northgate Jazz Co-op. Actually I think it's tryout. Oh, it might be Tuesdays a tryout. No, it's not Wednesdays. Yeah, I think it was Tuesdays, but I don't know, I might pop down there or down the night market. We'll see how we feel. It just depends how I'm feeling. Just nice not having to get a flight today. Such a luxury. That might be what's stuffing me about physically too. 3 flights in as many days may not be doing my metabolism much good. And thank God it's over for another 8 or 9 days. So then the next flight, and there'll just be one flight, so it won't be a succession of flights like I've had for the computer. So that'll be alright. Looks like a new building going up over there, or going up over there. And it looks pretty new. Lots of billboards here. I don't think I've been here for 2 years, so it wouldn't surprise me if there's been a few changes. What I can do on my way back, I've got to go past there anyway, go down to the computer place to see if I can find that, get myself a USB mouse. The internet at Justin's place, Kitty Rose home, is pretty damn ordinary, unfortunately, so it's just shocking. Hopefully it's just a bad day, but it's a joke by Vietnamese standards, the internet connection here. And I know you can get better internet connections in Chiang Mai. I've had them many times. This is one of the worst I've come across, unfortunately. But I'm only here for a week, so and I'm not here to download stuff. That's not what I came here for. So try to get out and about a bit more. At least there's a few places to eat that are close by, which is handy for me. And I might just check out a few. I mean, I really did like the coffee they made locally, so 55 baht's probably reasonable. Yeah, I think that's probably a reasonable price. The food, I don't know, 55 baht, maybe a little much for what I got. I didn't get much for that. But again, the prices have probably gone up. And it's still not a lot of money. It's a little over $2. So yeah, what do you expect for $2? You're not going to get anything in Australia for $2. There you go. This is my old stamping ground, especially down to that that side, the other side of the road we're looking at there. That's my old stamping ground. Yeah, traffic's picking up now. Schools are going to be getting out fairly soon. Yeah, I also turned up there quarter of an hour early for the dental work, so I was pretty hot and sticky, and I went straight in, which is good in one way. It's good to get it out of the way and get done straight away, but I didn't have a chance to freshen up at all. Not that I'd been running there. I took my time, knowing it was going to be a reasonable walk, so it was okay. And I'll break this one up by going to the computer place. If I feel okay after that, I'll just go straight to John's and have a drink. And hopefully the Changs aren't too much more expensive than what they used to be. Because otherwise I can't buy a drink until 5 o'clock. And I think it's only just before 4 right now, so let's have a look. 3:45, yeah, hour and a quarter before I could even buy bottled beer in a 7-Eleven. So I'll have to wait until, oh, that's one thing I didn't pack. A bottle opener. Oh, that's the first time. I've been slack this trip. I've never missed out on a bottle opener before. I must be getting old. Oh, that's shocking. And it's a cheesy little Thai one too. Gee, what's happening with my priorities? It used to be about drinking and chasing bugs. Also now what's happened to? Okay, well, I got myself the mouse. Cost me 99 baht, which is not bad. It's probably ends up being a little shy of $4, which is reasonable. Cheaper than what you get in Australia, I would imagine. I'm sure it is actually. But what the only problem was is zero product knowledge. The girl was quite nice who served me, but she didn't have a clue what I was talking about. Just wanted to know it had a USB connection, which I thought it would have, but it wasn't written on the box. But a fellow Thai shopper there just helped me out and actually asked the question for me. And then she had the cord out of the back of the box, and it obviously was a USB. I could see that myself. But once she showed it to me, but she apologised, which is nice of her because it's not her fault. She's not trained. People just don't give a rat's. They just put product on shelves and hope the customers know all about it and help them out. But you know, it's a discount place. What do you expect? But like I say, it was just nice that she was good about it, so that made it pleasant to me. So yeah. Anyway, I got it. That's the main thing, is I won't have to worry about not having a mouse. Now I've got more than got a colony of mice. They're breeding on me. I'm going to have stacks when I get home. There's another computer place I could have gone to as well. There's a couple of them. I don't know how they differentiate, to be honest with you, but I think they all both sell computers and bits and pieces. Just a different location, but they're basically similar. But then again, I'm not the most observant person on earth, as I keep telling you. Pizza Hut, that's new. That is definitely new. This is near where I was staying, actually. What else has changed around this area? Oh, this is definitely new. Yeah, bed sales used to be just restricted at 7-Elevens and the like, but nowadays, even here at bars, you can't get a drink between 2 and 5 p.m, just like at 7-Elevens. Well, hopefully that'll change in the future. Fingers crossed. It's not far off 5, so I had a long walk and I want to have a drink. It's 10 minutes I think I'll wait. I just worked out, hopefully worked out correctly, the procedure to lock up this place. I had to put that back on the chain there after taking it off with the key I've got. Seems to be secure again. Hopefully everything's all right. I've got no idea. It's one of the strangest lock systems I have to use. But, I want to get some food, so I don't think there's anything down the other end. I'll have to go down here and just see if there's any street food on offer. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you think there's anything there of use to you, or entertainment or whatever. And either do that or give me a thumbs up, or if you're feeling really energetic, do both. That'd be great. But please don't ignore me. That's the worst thing you can do on YouTube, is be ignored.